basically this is your two sides for your scooter, and you've got all the screws all together on the same side. When you're taking this apart, if you're not sure which part it will be, I just suggest just taking both of them off for reasons that you want to disconnect the battery before you touch anything else. So we'll go ahead and just take out these screws. Keep in mind that there are two different types of screws. One are usually around the four corners right here, and those are plastic screws, and those are the ones that are spiral, and we'll show you those in a minute when we're done. And then on the center areas, here, 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 and right here, these screws are going to be metal screws, and you'll see why once we take it apart. Because the four corners go into the plastic, which is the other piece on the bottom, and the ones here, they go into the frame, the aluminum frame that's inside. So we'll just take that off. Okay, to show you the difference, this is a screw for the plastic, and that goes on the four corners. This is a metal screw that goes on the center for the aluminum frame. So when we take this off, each one, if you notice, there's a wire that connects it's for your lights. So, and then you also have the one that has the power button and that. But what you want to do is take them off, press the connectors. Okay. Now, before you get started on anything, you start messing around, just make sure you disconnect the battery, and then once again, we have our cord to the light. Disconnect that. So here we have the, everything that's usually under the boards. You have your sensor here, another sensor board here, your battery, and then of course with these models, there is no central motherboard. It's just these two, and they kind of, you notice that you have your battery that has two connections. One for this one, and then one for this side. It goes in there, and then of course you have your cylinder pipe in right here, which basically slides into here, and it is this whole part. That's to support the weight.